Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Kobe and this is Kitech Digital. Now in this video I'm going to show you how to create a website in just some few minutes. Okay, so in about 10 minutes you're going to have a website done. Now this is an AI created website. So this is this whole website was created for us using AI. Now what we did is we gave the AI information and then it produced the website for us. So as you can see, we have a complete professional website over here, completely done for us in some few minutes. You can also look at the whole website. We have the about section over here. You can take a look at it. Also over here we have so this is the about section. As you can see, this is the about page. Okay, so everything is what is completing down now. You can edit the website and do a whole lot of things that you want to do with it. Now also we have the portfolio and then other page, which is what the contact us page. Okay, and if you need this website, now follow the few steps that I'm going to take you through to be able to get this website done for you in some few minutes. Now I'm not going to waste your time. If you're new over here, please don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. On this channel, all what we do is you create web design tips and tricks so that it will help you to be able to create your own website for free, and then also you have to spend some small money to also get it done. Okay, so let's get into the video. Now to start with, we're going to go to a website called 10web.io. So just go to Google and search for 10web.io, and Google will give you a whole lot of search results. But as you can see, the first one over here is what we are looking for. So we're going to click on it, and then you will be directed to the landing page over here. And what we're going to do is we're going to click on get started for free. So we're going to click on get started for free to get started. Now it will tell us to sign up for it, so we are going to go ahead and then sign up. Okay guys, so you can either sign up with Google account, or you can go ahead and then fill in your details over here with your password, and then just click on get started for free. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to enter my email address over here. So I'm going to enter my email address, and then my first name, and then my last name. So I'm going to enter first name, last name, and then I'll give a password. So I'm going to give my password, and then I'll go ahead and then click on get started for free. Okay guys, so over here we have to do some onboarding process or the setup process. So what they're asking is, how would you best describe yourself? So whether a digital agency, a freelancer, or designer, e-commerce, blogger, and then what other business. So I'm going to say freelancer, developer, freelance developer, and then what designer. So I'm going to click on this one, and then it'll ask you to choose the website menu. How many websites do you want to manage? So I'm going to say maybe 1 to 3. Okay, or it depends on you. You can choose anything. And then what do you want to do? So do you want to create a new website, convert a new website, or migrate a new website, optimize your website? So each other way you can do, or you can also go ahead and then install a blank WordPress website. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a new website with AI. So I want AI to be able to create this new website for me. So I'm going to click on it, and then it will start to ask me some few questions. So the business type, so what business type are you in? So I'm going to say web, so graphic and web, and then I'm going to click on next over here. Now of course it will tell me to choose a template that I want to a structure, a template that I want to work with. Okay, so let me see how it's loading. So let it load, finish loading, and then we'll go ahead and then choose the template. So I want to choose this one over here. Okay, this is what I want to choose. So I'm going to choose this one and click on next. Now they'll ask me to enter some few details also over here. So the company name, I'm going to say Kitech Digital. Okay, and then you can describe your company. So I'll say a web design company with about 5 years experience in web design and digital marketing. Now, of course, this description gives the AI much information on what to create for you or what to generate for you. So make sure that you give a detailed description. Okay, so you mention your target audience and other stuff, as you can see over here. Okay, so if you're okay with it, I'm just going to what. So I can even go ahead and say we make websites for small businesses, for small and medium businesses. Okay, so as you can see, I'm done with it, and then I can go ahead and then click on next over here. Now, 3 main services or features that you provide. So we do web design, we do digital marketing, and then maybe graphic design. So these are the 3 things that I want to go, and then I can click on next over here. Now they tell you to enter your email address, your company phone number, company address. Now these are optional, you can choose to do or not. Now I'm going to just enter the email address, and then I'll skip this once and I click on next. Now you choose the tone of the voice of content. Okay, so the content that is going to be on your website, what is the tone? Is it going to be informal or formal? And of course I'm going to make it formal, and then I'll click on finalize. Now we have to wait, and then the AI will generate the whole website for us. So you wait for a few minutes, and then you're gonna as you can see, creating a blank website, it will create everything for you, and then it will pull all the resources and all the information that you need, the pictures, everything, and then it will create a whole website for you. So let's hold on and wait. Okay guys, so as you can see over here, this is what a congratulations message which says that your website was successfully created with AI. So you can preview and edit it. So we're going to click over here to preview and edit, and then we're going to see our website created for us successfully. Okay guys, so as you can see, this is what the website created for us. Very sleek, neat website with everything involved, everything that we want. So as you can see, expert website design and marketing solutions. So transform your online presence with Kitech Digital, the experienced web design and digital marketing company dedicated to developing top-notch websites for small and medium businesses. So as you can see, we are good to go. So features and benefits. So what are the features? Expert in web design, 5 years experience, blah blah blah, all these things. It has been written for you already. Now you go ahead to say what services I'm providing or we are providing. So expert digital marketing solutions, professional graphic design services, professional web design services. So as you can see, it is good to go. Now our portfolio, you can check it out over here, and then what our clients say. So some few testimonials over here, and then let me close this one. We'll come to this one later on, and then as you can see, we have stay in touch over here. Now the website is created for you. You can go through all the details and other things, and then you're good to go. So as you can see, you can go to about, you can go to portfolio, you can go to contact, and then there's even a button over here which says hire me. Now this website has been created for you, but as you can see, this is the free version of the whole website itself. Now if you want to edit it and then do a whole lot of things about it, you have to you have to you have to go and then sign in with the pro version. So if I click on edit over here, it will tell me that I have to try AI Builder Pro for free for 7 days. Now of course I can try for 7 days, but you need to enter your details and other stuff in it. Now I've seen a lot of review about this particular AI 10web.ai IO and other stuff, and there are a lot of good reviews about it. I haven't tried their pro version because I'm just doing a review of the free version, which I think it's quite okay. It's quite nice. Within some few minutes you get a website done. But if you want to go ahead and edit your website and get more about the website, then you have to go ahead and then click on what the Try Pro for 7 days. Okay, you can go ahead, enter your details and other stuff, and then try the Pro for 7 days. If it is good for you, fine. If it is not good, you cancel it. Now, of course, this video is just a video I'm doing for my subscribers. It is not a sponsored video or anything. I just want you guys to know that there is a system over there which can help you create website as fast as possible without you paying for any web designer or anything. You can just do a quick website for small business and other stuff with this kind of website. So as you can see over here, this is how it is done. Okay, so you can choose a site, and then as you can see, one site is what $20 monthly, and they bill it annually. If it is annual, it is what $10, which is 120. Now these include your hosting, your everything. Okay, and now you can also add domain name to it if you want to. If you want to add your own domain name, so that you get a custom domain name. Now you can choose whatever it is, and then you try it for 7 days. So as you can see, now I can close this one and then go ahead and then look at the pro features. Okay, the features in the pro version of this particular AI builder. So as you can see, these are the plans over here. They have 3 great plans. The first plan is the personal, the premium, and then the agency. So these are the 3 plans over here. And as you can see, if you want to be billed annually, you have to pay 120. The same way 228 for the premium, and then 720 for the agency. Now this one you can be able to get 10 website, this one 3 website, this one 1 website. Now of course, if you are building website for a whole lot of people, I think this one this agency will be good for you. Now this is because you can get your money back. Okay, if you look at the things that they offer over here, it is overwhelming. Now as you can see, you can get image and copy generation with AI regeneration, drag and drop live editor based on Elementor. So they've already integrated Elementor into it. Okay, it is responsive. Okay, it is responsive. Now look, if you look at what we built, you realize that it is very, very responsive. Now let me just go back and see our website again. I'll go take you there, but let's look at the plans over here once again. Now you also have automated hosting on Google Cloud. So your website will be very fast because it's already on Google Cloud. So if you are you can get 25,000 visits per month. Okay, monthly visit. Now if you are if you are using the agency, 180,000 visits. And then the storage is also from 10 to 50. Okay, automated real-time backups. You can back your things up, and then 99.9% uptime. All these things are free SSL. Okay, so you're gonna get free SSL also connected for you, and then you can do a whole lot of things. So as you can see, the agency features, we have white label, additional hosted site, and then multi-site or support. These are all agency featured. Okay, so if you want to make it white label so that your client will not know that you are using the services, you can do this one over here. And then they also have email assistant, that is the customer care over here. So you can also collaborate with users and teams over here. Okay, and then you can also do a staging area, WordPress and plugins update, improve core web vitals, and then image optimization, caching, which will make your website boost load faster for you. So all these things are there if you choose any of these plans over here. Okay, to to work with. So that is the pro plan. So if you are okay with it, you can go ahead and then choose any of the plan, and then you can be able to edit the website that you just created. Okay, and that is how you can be able to create. Let me go back and then visit the dashboard. So let me go back to the home, and you're gonna visit the dashboard right now. So as you can see, this is the the website, your dashboard, everything. Okay, so this is how it is. Now if you want to create another one, you can go ahead and then create a website. Okay, if you want to migrate your site, you can go ahead and migrate. If you want to optimize your site, you can go ahead and then optimize it. Now this is the website that we created. Okay, so if you want to manage it, you can go ahead, click on manage, and then manage your your website. But remember that you can have access to all these things if you are using the pro version of this 10web.io. So as you can see, this is this is the whole management of one single website. And now you look at the page speed score over here. It is loading 98% and then 100% also on mobile. Okay, so for desktop is 98, now mobile is 100%, which the load time is 1 second, and this one is 0.9 seconds. Okay, which is very, very good. Okay, so you can see the number of visitors, everything over here as you as you build, or as you go ahead and edit it. Now you also have your AI builder over here, but of course if you click on it, it will tell you to upgrade to to upgrade the website. Okay, now if you click on WordPress also over here, you can be able to manage or have access to the WordPress website. So if I click over here, I can be able to go ahead and then have access to it. But of course they tell me to go for the pro before I can have access to the WordPress website. And that is, I think, the downside of it. But then it is how they are making their work accessible to anybody. You can create a free website, but you can't have access to it unless you upgrade or have at least one plan with it before you can be able to use it. Okay, so I hope this one will be able to help you to create a website for yourself and for your client, only if you can go ahead to use the pro version of the website. So of course, let me just go back to see the website again, and then you can see that this is how the website looks like. So as you can see, this is how the website looks like. Okay, this is how it looks like, and it is mobile responsive. Okay, if you click on the mobile, you can see that it is mobile responsive. So as you can see, everything is responding well on the mobile side. Everything works perfectly well. You wouldn't have any issue of optimizing your website to fit on mobile and all those things. At the moment you create it, the AI will do everything for you. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and I hope you guys will use this platform to create your website for yourself. See you in the next video. Bye bye.